from the title, you already know what this is. Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. I got it from StockX. This is my first time making a purchase on StockX. I've heard very, very good things about it. If you're not familiar with StockX, well, it's basically a website where you get authenticated items, sneakers, apparel, watches, even designer handbags like that. So if you ever want to cop anything and if you're about buying it from some other site or an individual, StockX is definitely the place to go. We're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. I am heading to work real quick, so I'm not gonna do it on feed. The on feed video will be up tomorrow, most likely. And I wanna film that outside as well with some nice lighting. Obviously today it is raining out, so do I wanna wear these in the rain? Not really. I wanna get you guys the best lighting, the best picture. All right, so we're gonna go ahead with this unboxing. Cut that. Boom, 700. That's the only difference on this box, basically, from the review that I've seen. Nothing different, same box as the 350s and everything else. You got the Yeezy branding all over it. Hold on, because I made some pretty good coffee this morning. All right, so once you open the box, you're gonna get this certificate, this paper, and this certificate here stating that it is authentic. Now, the minute you purchase an item from StockX, these are individuals who post their items. So it could be anyone from anywhere in the world who could post their stuff on there. But then the seller needs to ship the item to StockX. StockX receives it, they'll check it, they'll see if it's fake or not. If it's fake, they'll send it right back to that person. And if it's real, obviously it'll go right to you. So we're gonna go open it up. Ooh, these are nice, these are nice, these are nice. Now I have seen these in person a few times and I have held them, but now that I'm holding my own, I'm like, yo, these shits is butter, these shits is fire, and they're super clean. I'm actually gonna rock them to work today, because that's just the mood, that's just the vibe, you dig? Now on the other shoe right here is gonna come with this StockX hang tag that's just verified that it is authentic. Now I gotta be honest with you guys, when this shoe first surfaced about a year and a half ago, the pictures came out on the internet, was I feeling it? No, I'll be honest, I was totally against it. I was not with the whole, you know, dad shoe movement yet, but it kind of grew on me. I liked it, but I wasn't really trying to pay that $700, that $1,000, $1,200. I wasn't doing that. That shit was hitting me right here. Now I did wait for the recently restock of them. I got it for a good price. I went on StockX. I was on there for a good 2 to 3 weeks looking at the market. I was fluctuating from up and down, and the prices were going. You couldn't tell if it was gonna be what was gonna be the next day. So I waited right for the right moment. I got it for a good, decent price, I believe, and I'm very happy with what I paid for. It is a sick shoe. It does come with Boost down inside of it. You can see right here through it, and which is gonna make the shoe very, very comfortable. I'm like very excited to wear today. So once I make the video with the on feet, I will give you guys more feedback on how comfort is and everything. And the type of response that I got back from everybody, because this shoe is either going to be a hit or miss. It's 50-50. A lot of people, half of the people hate it, half of the people like it, and it's just, you know, I don't know, it's different. It just screams out, look at me, and it's just, I don't know. I think the color blocking on it is amazing. The hints of orange right here in the pods are super dope. The lime yellow color right here on the laces is super dope. And just the green and the blue and the gray and the black all over the place. I don't know, it's pretty dope. Even just the back of it, the details right here in the back are pretty dope. I don't know, it's just a super dope shoe, man. All right, so we're gonna get into a few details real quick. These little pods right here, you see through here, these are 3M, so those are gonna reflect when the light hits it at night or during the day, however you see it. The suede on here is really, really nice, man. It's really soft, going around. The gray part in the front is a little rougher. You got that mesh going right here in the toe box, up here in the front in the green. I really like how it complements. It goes from the blue to the green, and it's just, I think the overall color mix is really dope. The mesh right here, you got some nice perforation right here on the side, and if you can see right through there, you do have the 3 Adidas stripes in the mesh right there. Those are reflective as well. Going down to the bottom of the shoe, you got the orange pods. You got that off-white down here in the bottom. You got the black and the white, and as like I said before, you can see the boost right here, right through it. I am touching it. It is bouncing back. It is being very, very responsive. Like I said before, I do love the color on the shoelaces. They give it an extra pop. The colors they picked for this are just amazing, man. You are not gonna have any Yeezy branding on this shoe at all, except for the inside here. So it's only gonna say Yeezy right there on the inside. You're not really gonna have that Yeezy print anywhere on the outside of the shoe or on the bottom, which is okay. Anybody who knows the shoe knows the Yeezy, and that's all you gotta know. You got your Adidas imprint right there in the insole. Your tongue is also in that mesh material here, really nice and soft. You're also gonna have those 3M hints in there and those little holes right there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty dope at night when you're walking and the lights hits you. Man, this shoe is just fire. All right, guys, there are plenty of these reviews out there, but guess what? I did these for my viewers, I did these for my followers, and just because I love this shoe. Like I said, tomorrow night, maybe the day after, I will have an on-shoe review. It's gonna be pretty dope. I will be doing it outside in some nice lighting by the park, so you're definitely gonna love that. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell. It's gonna notify you anytime I do upload a new video. There will be more content up soon, so go ahead and follow the kid.